Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to plan for this week, upcoming week, in my Happy Planner. Coffee first. I like coffee. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we're going to plan for the week of August 4th through the 10th in my Happy Planner. First thing I want to do is date it. And I will do that with my Mojo Jojo Plans numbers. So Monday is the 4th. Let's go with this last set. All right, not quite awake yet. I'm really trying with coffee. Tonight I have a couple of family members coming over and we are going to celebrate my son's birthday and have a dinner together. So that should be fabulously fun. Yesterday I went shopping for like 7-8 hours, hit a bunch of stores, had a blast. Then my head cold really started kicking in. And so tomorrow I have a huge shop with me and haul. Video's pretty long, but I found some great stuff, so I hope that you will come back tomorrow and check in and see what I found. I set aside a certain amount of money each paycheck to be able to do these hauls for this channel. So I don't include any of that when I'm doing my budgeting. And it just makes it easier for me to keep that completely separate. As if it's money that doesn't exist. But really it does. So. Alright, almost done. Could have done this off camera. Did I? No. No, we did not. And that is okay because I have the best subscribers in the whole wide world. And I love you all. So, I'm going to do a little bit of a week late, I guess we'll call it, spread. On August 1st was Planner Day, and every year I forget to do that in my planner, so that's what it is. Okay, this is the meal plan, and then this is the grocery list and important stuff, whatever. Okay, couldn't remember. So I wanted to use these this week because I didn't do it last week and that makes me sad. I also need some washi. Let's see. Let's see what I can find that will go with it. Oh, well, we have some behind there. That would go well. these two are the one I was having trouble. I'm sorry, dog, but you cannot get in my space. Ugh, he's trying to share the chair with me. And all right, so I have these two. Maybe I'll just go with this. We'll be linear. How about that? Anyway, so like I said, I went, okay, that's a little off the top. It's okay. Everything is fine. I went a little, yeah, I don't even remember what I was going to say, but I bought a bunch of paper and paper crafting items because I've thoroughly enjoyed making these savings challenge junk journals. I kind of feel like it's good for my OCD to just kind of learn to let go of the perfection and just put stuff on paper. But I've been watching a lot of planner channels and paper crafting channels, and a new one that I found, and I don't know if he's gonna watch my channel or not and check it out and see what it's about, but man, he is the most precious thing I've ever seen on YouTube. His channel is called Planner Time with Michael, and when he does that little laugh, I laugh every single time as if it was the first time I heard it. It is the most precious and endearing laugh you have ever heard in your life. And he just makes me giggle. He's precious. And so he was, you know, I'm binge watching his whole channel the other night. Had to go to work the next day. Whatever. Everything's fine. 4 hours of sleep is enough. And so he's turned me on to a couple of channels that I've started following. I'm not exactly sure if they're my type of channels. I'm still giving them a try because just because 1 or 2 videos isn't my thing doesn't mean all of them aren't, you know. But it does spark creativity. One of my favorite paper crafting channels that I subscribe to her, and then I can't because I'm like, I don't have time to do it. I want to do it, but I don't have time to. And then I find myself going back to her because she's just fabulous. And her channel name is Treasure Books. That child can junk journal and make some fabulous stuff. So I've resubscribed, been binge watching her for a while. And now I'm like, okay, I'm going to get serious with making these ephemera for my junk journals. I think that's my next video that I want to make. Don't know when it'll be out, but I want to sit down in my craft room for a couple of hours and just make ephemera and have fun. And really good for the OCD. Just let go and have fun. We're trying. So, I've pulled a bunch of stickers, and I don't know, we'll see where it takes us. I'm thinking I might do like I've done in my mini before, just to bring it into this one, because who cares, right? Just have fun. Let go. Don't be perfect. Have fun. So we're going to put see, and then I start trying to be perfect. Stop it, Leslie. We're going to put that one there. And then we're going to put where does it feel right to put it? Then we'll put this one over here. Then we're going to take this one and just cut it wherever and let that part float up there, and this part can float right there. Take this one, cut it in half, about there. That looks good. We'll put I know, I said I wasn't going to be perfect, but sometimes you have to be. Alright, we don't like that. Okay, and then I'm going to put this right here. Then let's see, how else can I cut it? Just trying to get different cuts to have fun with it. Put that there. Doesn't fit. Put that there. And then one more. Just cut it. We'll just cut it. And we'll put that there. That there, wherever they want to go. We can put this here. And that there. Okay. Then thinking about doing something like that, but those are made for a regular. I'm going to stick him right here. I can write around him and everything will be fine. I'll just take these and just put them wherever, because it doesn't matter, as I try and find the perfect spot. It's a problem. Alright, and then put a little one there. And I need one over here somewhere. So we'll put it right there. Alright, and that's pretty much all I'm going to do for that. Other than to come through with my dot markers and make some dots, because that's original. way they want to go. Doesn't matter. Okay. Then we'll do, oops, we didn't do Monday. Do some yellow. And then some green. Wrong side. Alright, then up here I want alphabet. Alphabet. Where is my alphabet? Wait up. Yes. Alright. I know I have rainbow alphabets. Here they are. Here they are. Those are going to be too big. Those are even bigger. Then we have to find MEALPLAN. Okay, we got it. It's going to be too big. That's okay. M. E. This is a way you can make your letters work and squish them. A. L. P. L. A. N. Meal plan. Alright, so that's it. Really quick, really easy. Really trying to let go of the OCD, really hard, but we did it. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.